What's up, guys? If you're listening to this, you made it to Friday. Go you. I know you worked hard and you got through your week. I want to congratulate you for that. And now, as you sit back and relax and unwind, think about the good things that happened this week, the things that you have to fix, recalibrate as you go into your weekend. Don't be super hard on yourself because that's not a good thing either. So I hope you had a great week, and I hope you have an even better weekend so you're recharged and recalibrated for your next week. So that's all I'll submit to you. I'm going to try to do these things 2 days a week, and we'll just go. I hope you guys receive that. I hope you guys have a good night. All right? Deuces.